So it's all underway. He has signed the bill into law, and here we go. The Republicans are already ready to start fighting, not to make the bill better, not to get better things done, but to rescind the bill. Uh, I find it just, it's funny in a way, but it's kind of frustrating, you know? Listen, we've already talked about this. The bill is passed. It's now a law, okay? Obama was voted in on this platform. And, you know, people have been saying, like, for the last year, oh, he ain't doing nothing. He ain't doing what he promised. He said he was going to get health care. He was going to do this. He was going to do that. And now the same people are saying, oh, we don't like this bill. And, you know, it's not this and it's not that. And, you know, people are never satisfied, for one. There's always going to be people who are going to be dissatisfied no matter what happens. Now the man is standing up and doing what he said he was going to do, doing what most people voted him in on. But the pundits and the polls are saying that most Americans don't want the health care bill now. Well, we wanted it when we voted him in, so why wouldn't we want it now? You know, I always wonder about these polls that they're taking because, you know, I have been, 22 years an adult, and in all the places I've lived, I have never been called for a political poll. Ever. So who are they calling? Tell me, please. Who are they calling? Who are they polling? Because it's not anybody that I know. I constantly ask people. I ask friends. And out of all the people I've asked, there's only been one person that has been polled. Now, I think I posted up a video, I don't know, somewhere else or a while ago where a few people said they had been polled. But, you know, where are these polls coming from? Because we voted him in on a platform, and this was one of the biggest things on his platform, that he was going to get a health care bill through, and we were going to have universal health care. It's not quite universal health care yet, but we are working towards that direction. So Republicans, those who are against the bill, let's try to work towards making it a better bill, you know, a better law, you know, with amendments and all that. Why try to rescind it? Why waste time, you know, and precious resources trying to rescind it? Now there are also, immediately, there are all of these governors or attorney generals who are starting to litigation saying that, oh, it's not constitutional. Well, you're going to tie up the courts and you're going to spend all this money that we need to be having for, you know, our constituents and to take care of a country that is going down the drain, quite honestly, to fight litigation to say something is not constitutional. Do you not know that Obama taught constitutional law at the university level? I'm pretty sure that he made sure that this was constitutional. You know, federal law trumps state law. I just don't understand. People, chime in. Tell me what you think. But there's one thing. The polls and all of this, you know, people are saying, one of the biggest things that people say to each other is, oh, you're brainwashed, you're brainwashed. Well, listen, you know, you can say that about me, but one, I rarely watch TV. I got out of watching TV when I was in college, you know, so I'm not watching the news on television. Most of my news I get either from places that I go on the internet, including like the BBC, 1010 Wins, and all these other different places. I also have independent places that I go that read my news. You know, I watch some YouTube videos for people who I trust, and I look things up for myself when people say something, you know. So brainwashed, what's brainwashed? I have my own opinions and my own ideas, and this bill, this law is not perfect, okay, but it's going a long further way than any politician, you know, any president in the past has done towards getting us, you know, getting everyone health care. So people, let's look at the facts of the bill. Let's look at the things that are going on. Let's look how it's going to help, and then find other things that are going to improve upon what's already there. Okay, I'm out. This is Robert Anton, robertanton.com. Peace.